What's up, everybody? Chef Jellybean here. Well, not Chef Dante, because I don't know. I just don't like the name Dante. Well, I just call me Chef Jellybean for now. And I'm here wearing my dad's apron because I don't got an apron of my own. So today we're gonna make the hype. The hype is the Popeyes chicken sandwich. And I know you guys don't want to waste your time going into the dang Popeyes line where you have it right here in the kitchen. So first, you know this is something that Popeyes never had on their sandwich is bacon. You need 5 eggs, pickles, dipping sauce, buttermilk, chicken breast, oil, flour, buns, and these are the fries. So yeah, so this is gonna be good. These sandwiches are gonna be so good. They're gonna make you slap the heck out of your mama. All right, now you gotta wash your hands. Like every cook has to wash their hands. I don't care who you are, you still gotta wash your hands. You don't know where your hands been. You definitely don't know where the meat is. So always gotta wash your hands. All right, now I slice up the chicken. I'm telling you guys, the chicken's gonna be good. I gotta wash it. Never forget to wash your chicken. Like if you don't wash your chicken, you don't know what could be in there. And then the thing about Popeyes is that their chicken, they use MSG. You know how bad that is for you? It's mostly cancer. It's mostly a hospital bill waiting to happen. So don't you ever. Well, it's not my possibility for you guys to try to pick Popeye's chicken sandwich, but it's whatever. Alright, now I'm gonna put oil into the pan. Okay. Alright, well the grease is getting hot. I'm gonna make the batter. So you need 4 eggs. We had 5, but one fell on the floor, so we mostly need 4. To put the eggs in, make sure you don't put any shells in the batter, because that's another hospital bill waiting for. You don't want to be choking on those shells. Alright. Now you put the buttermilk. 2 cups. 2 cups of buttermilk. Not 3, not 4, because you don't want that junk sour. Oh, buttermilk smells terrible. 1 cup. Oh gosh. 2 cups. Alright. Oh yeah. Just cut. Alright, now we're gonna stir it up. You already know, like. I get the wrist action in there. What's up, guys? I'm back, and now we're gonna do the batter, and then we're gonna put everything together and then put it in the fryer. First, you put it in the batter. And you flip it. And then you do it one more time. Now you put it in the fryer. Now it's going to start frying, so we'll come back when it starts frying. Alright guys, I'm back. So now it's cooking. The first one didn't really turn out that well, but it always does that first time round. But this one is cooking so much better. But these, I'm telling you guys, these are going to be the bomb. They're going to be the best. They're going to be so much better than Popeyes. Popeyes will come here and try to steal our recipe. So yeah, I'll be back when this is finished. What's up, guys? I'm back. And they're still cooking. Not everything's done yet, but we got some that's done. Now Popeyes can't do nothing on this. No, sir. Check these. Oh gosh. Man. No. Now I gotta wash the tongs off. Always gotta wash it. That's good. That should be good. So I'll check back in when all of them are done. Alright, I'm back. Now the chicken and the bacon and the fries are done, so I'm going to show you how to build the sandwich. First you get one of these, take it, put some on the bottom. This is my secret sauce. No, it ain't. I'm joking. It's straight out the bottle, but it still is good. Then you take your chicken, place it right there. Then you pour some right here. And you take your pickles. Come over here. Grab a slice. Ow. Grab a slice of your bacon. Some on the top. Bang. There you go. There's your Popeyes chicken sandwich. Now we're gonna try it.
Where'd you fry it?
Sorry. That's real good. Popeyes chicken sandwich don't have nothing on me. So, I'm glad you liked this video. Share the recipe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to the Van Dyke family. Dante out.